Hello, I'm Lior, and I'm trying to show you how to cross log. For some people it's easy, for some people it's not, and some people keep trying to learn. So let me show you a few ways how to cross log, and I'll try to do my best. So thanks for watching. Okay, this is the log I'm trying to cross. So of course there is many ways to cross the logs. You can just wheelie and go over. If it's not too big, there is a good chance you can cross it. Some logs are too small and you can just ride straight. The suspension will do the job. And the right way, it's actually to look at the log, look at the size, and anywhere between the halfway of the log, you want to put your front wheel slightly over the halfway, and that will make the suspension, when you come wheelie into the log, you compress the suspension by hitting the log, and they will bounce back, and that will raise your bike up so you don't get skid plate and get stuck at the log. The momentum will help the rear wheel to just come over and go over the log with no issue. So let's try and see few ways to cross log. Okay, this is the log I'm trying to cross. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's a good size log. So basically every time you see obstacle, logs or rocks, you take a look at the size, and when you come, you try to come slow and hit the log or the rocks anywhere from halfway past the halfway. So you want to come slowly, do a little wheelie, compress the suspension, put the front wheel right here in this area, and that will make the suspension bounce back and lift the bike. And with the momentum, the rear wheel will hit and you get the clearance and not skid plate, and to go over nice and clean. So let's try.